Hello everyone. Now we will talk about the Java installation. What do we need to program in Java? We need two things, JDK and IDE. Well, I have to tell you what the JDK is. Is the Java Development Kit and consists of Java Runtime Environment, Java Compiler, and Development API. The Java Runtime Environment is the Java virtual machine. The Java compiler it is responsible for translating our Java code into a language that can understand and interpret our virtual machine. Development API is a base code that is ready to have us develop. IDEs or Integrate Development Environment. IDEs are software that provides a service to facilitate software development for the developer. Some Java IDEs are IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, and NetBeans. So, for this course, we will install OpenJDK 11, which is a free and open source version to use the Java Standard Edition platform. And the IDE that we will use to develop will be IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. You can use the IDE that is most comfortable for you. In the video description are the links to download the installers. I recommend that you install them with the default options. See you in the next video.